In this video, I'll guide you through how to use variables in Typeform, making your forms even more dynamic and personalized. Whether you're gathering feedback, conducting surveys, or creating quizzes, understanding how to use variables can significantly enhance the interaction you have with your audience. First, we're going to start by heading over to typeform.com. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll need to select a form that you'd like to work with. You can either create a new form or choose an existing one from your dashboard. Click on the form to open it and get started. Now that you have your form open, look towards the top of the interface and click on the workflow option. This is where all the magic happens in terms of managing how your form behaves and interacts with users. Next, you'll want to click on variables at the top of the screen. This section is crucial as it allows you to define and manage the variables that will be used throughout your form. Variables are placeholders that can store data to personalize the experience for each respondent. When you're in the variables section, you'll notice a few different types of variables available for you to use. There are default variables, custom variables, quiz variables, and data enrichment variables. Each serves a unique purpose depending on what you aim to achieve with your form. For example, default variables can automatically capture information like the respondent's time zone, while custom variables allow you to add specific data points that you define. Let's focus on adding a custom variable to your form. Under the Default Variables tab, you'll see an option to add custom variable. Clicking this will open a window where you can define the specifics of your variable. Here, you'll need to enter a variable name, which is essentially the label that you'll use to reference this data point later on. Make sure it's something descriptive so you can easily identify it. Next, decide whether your variable will store a number or text. This decision depends on the kind of data you expect to collect. For instance, if you're asking for a name, you'll choose text, but if you're calculating scores, you might opt for a number. After selecting the type, enter the initial value for this variable. This value can be static or it can be dynamically updated based on the respondent's interaction with your form. Once you've defined your custom variable, don't forget to click Save. This step is essential as it ensures that all your hard work is not lost and that the variable is ready to be used in your form. Saving will update your form with the new variable, and you can now use this in your questions, logic jumps, or even in the end messages to personalize the experience for each respondent. And there you have it. This simple guide has walked you through setting up and using variables in Typeform. By leveraging these variables, you can create more engaging, personalized, and interactive forms that resonate better with your audience. Happy form building, and see you in the next tutorial.